It's Halloween 2010. And there's Dylan and Griffin. Watch out, Dill, you're going to get scythed. There we are. And here's me. I don't know if my black lipstick's on good or not, but that's me. Here, get me. Here's our scary guy. Coming out of the ground with the headstones. Can't see so well.
Can you see it or no?
Can't see you so well.
You can't see me?
No. I can see the light reflecting in your goggles.